What you do is grab any kind of frying pan. It must be like large so that it can like leave an outskirts and everything. So right now what you do is grab any kind of oil. I'm just using this. Get your favorite kind of bread. Like I'm just getting this one right here and get it, and then place it here and just soak it up. Soak it up. Once that's finished, flip it over. So that's here. And now we're gonna go to the frying pan. Okay, we're in the frying pan, so we're doing this with one hand. So let me just move everything from here. Okay, we're doing this with one hand, so it's gonna be kind of hard for me to do this. So place it there. You see here, just get ready just to flip it as a pancake. So if it feels ready, just flip it. When it's not, just leave it, you know. So we're like during the process right now. So when you try to flip this over, don't have it soggy. Have it like a little bit burned, not too much, but cooked enough. And for the dip in the other side, as well like this. If you feel like if it's ready enough, just go put it on a plate in there. So we're gonna go do another stuff. So we are almost finished, and also we're just gonna get this and just drop it in here. Yeah. Yo, what is up, guys? Before we end this video, I want everybody to pause this video right now and go like the video right now. Just like it. Pause it right now. Okay, so we are back right now. So I hope you like the protein French toast. So you will need 3 ingredients. So those 3 ingredients will be the whole eggs. If you don't have whole eggs, get the whites from out of the egg and just put inside a bowl in there. If you have only whites, egg white, just get that like around like 3 tablespoons and put it in the bowl. And then what you do is get your protein. It could be any kind of protein, be mass gainer, whey protein, any kind of protein. If you don't have no protein, I would suggest to get like chocolate, like anything you put with your milk, like Nesquik or something like that. And the third ingredient will be bread. It could be any kind of bread. My preference is what is it called? It's wheat bread, but white bread could also work as well. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I know most people are not subscribed to this channel. It says here in my analytics, it says that most people are not subscribed to my channel yet. So I have 47.7% of people who are not subscribed yet. So they're right over here. This percentage right here. The top one is the people that are subscribed, and the bottom ones are the ones that are not subscribed. So it's a lot of percentage. So if you guys are watching this, if you're not subscribed, please go and subscribe right now. And